Welcome to Untitled School YouTube channel. This video is for class 1, subject as English. Dear students, today we are going to learn unit 3, lesson 4, sentences, and lesson 5, writing. These lessons are at pages 18 and 19. Okay, let's begin. Now first, dear students, look at this picture. Okay, what are they doing, all these people? Okay, this is Tom. You know, Tom is eating a pancake. And this is Sarah. Sarah is dancing. This is Ali. Ali is running away from a rat. And this is Daddy. Daddy is hitting a rat. And this is Fiza. Fiza is sleeping. And this is Mummy. Mummy is drinking cola. And you know, Mummy is holding a book. I think she is reading. Okay. Now, see the question? Question A. Look at the picture. What are they doing? Write the missing names. Okay. Example, who is dancing? I have told you. Who is dancing? Yes, you are right. Sarah is dancing. Who is dancing? Sarah is dancing. Now number 1. Who is eating a pancake? Tell me. Who is eating a pancake? Yes, you are right. Tom is eating a pancake. You have to write Tom in this blank. Okay? Write Tom. T-O-M. Tom. Number 2. Who is running away from a rat? Yes, this boy. Ali is running away from a rat. Ali is running away from a rat. And you have to write Ali in this blank. And what's the spelling of Ali? Tell me. A-L-I. Yes. Now number 3. Who is sleeping? I have told you. Who is sleeping? This girl is sleeping. And what's her name? Tell me. Fiza. Yes, you are right. Fiza is sleeping. Who is sleeping? Fiza is sleeping. Write F-I-Z-A. Fiza. Number 4. Who is hitting the rat? Yes, this man is hitting a rat. And who is he? Daddy. Yes, you are right. Daddy is hitting the rat. D-A-D-D-Y. Daddy. D-A-D-D-Y. Daddy. Daddy is hitting the rat. Write Daddy in this blank. Okay. The last question, number 5. Who is drinking cola? Who is drinking cola? Tell me. Yes, this woman. And who is she? You are right, Mummy. Mummy is drinking cola. Who is drinking cola? Mummy is drinking cola. Okay, write Mummy in this blank. M-U-M-M-Y. Mummy. Now look at this picture again and read the question. B. Ask and answer more questions about the picture. Example, who is wearing black trousers? Look at this picture. No, 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 no. Yes, Daddy is wearing black trousers. Yes, who is wearing black trousers? Daddy is wearing black trousers. Now, dear students, you have to make your own questions. Okay, like for Tom, what question you can make? Who is wearing a red shirt? Yes. Who is wearing a red shirt? Tom is wearing a red shirt. Now you can make a question for Ali. Who is wearing a green shirt? This is Ali. And who is wearing a green shirt? Yes, Ali is wearing a green shirt. Now you can make a question for Fiza. Fiza is wearing a white shirt. Who is wearing a white shirt? Number 3. Who is wearing a white shirt? Fiza is wearing a white shirt. Okay. And number 4. Who is wearing a yellow skirt? Yes. Sarah is wearing a yellow skirt. Okay. Sarah is wearing a yellow skirt. Okay. Now comes to next question. Question C. Read the questions. Complete the answers with the help of the words in the box. Okay. Read again. read the questions, complete the answers with the help of the words in the box. Yes, they are the words in the box: hungry, angry, happy, afraid, sleepy. Read all these words again: hungry, angry, happy, afraid, sleepy. Okay, and what are the questions? Yes, example: why is Sarah dancing? She is dancing because she is happy. Yes, Sarah is happy, so she is dancing. Why is Sarah dancing? She is dancing because she is happy. Now, why is Fiza sleeping? Because she is sleepy. Because Fiza is sleepy. Yes, right answer like this. Because she is sleepy. Number two, why is Tom eating a pancake? Because he is hungry. When you want something to eat, it means you feel hungry. You are hungry. Okay. Why is Tom eating a pancake? Because he is hungry. Number three, why is Ali running away from a rat? Because he is afraid. Yes, because he is afraid. Okay. Number four, why is Daddy hitting the rat? Because he is angry. Because he is angry. Okay. Why is Daddy hitting the rat? Because he is angry. Now, lesson 5, writing. And this lesson is at page number 19. Question A. Choose the correct capital letters from the balloons and write them beside the small letters below. Yes, they are the capital letters. First, we read all these capital letters: C, A, D, B, F, E, R, N, Q, S, P, O, G, K, J, L, H, I, M, V, T, U, Z, W, Y, X. Okay, they are the capital letters. They are the small letters. Okay, they are two. Now you have to choose the correct capital letter for each small letter. Okay. Now look at this letter. This is B, small b. And where is the capital B? Yeah, this is capital B. Okay. Write capital B here like this. Okay. And this is a small c. And where is the capital C? Yes, this is capital C. Write capital C here. Remember, you have to use first three lines for writing capital letters: 1, 2, and 3. Write C like this. And now this is a small d. And where is the capital D? Yeah, this is the capital D. So you have to write capital D here like this. Okay. Now this is a small e, and where is the capital E? Yes, this is capital E right here like this, and this is the second line N. Where is the capital N? Yes, this is the capital N right here. Okay. Now you have to choose the correct capital letters for all these small letters on your own from these balloons. Okay. B question. Copy the sentences, start with capital letters at the beginning, put full stops at the end. Okay, read again. Copy the sentences, start with capital letters at the beginning, put full stops at the end. Dear students, in English, when we write a sentence, first letter should be capital. Okay, at the beginning, we put capital letters. Okay, and at the end we put full stop. Yes, dear students, now a sentence begins with a capital letter. Okay, now we write C, capital C here in the place of this is small c. Okay, and after the sentence, at the end of a sentence we put full stop, and here we have to change this small letter into capital D. Yes. Okay, and put full stop here. and we have to change all these small letters H, S, F and I into capital letters, okay, and put full stop at the end of a sentence, okay. Now C, yes, C should be capital. C is capital here, and after the sentence we put full stop. Cows eat grass. Say this sentence. Cows eat grass. Dogs eat meat. What should you do? Yes, this you have to make this D capital like this. Yes, D is capital now. Dogs eat meat. At the end of a sentence, you put full stop. Number 3, hens eat seeds. Okay, H should be capital like this. Hens eat seeds, and after seeds you put full stop. At the end of a sentence you put full stop. Snakes eat frogs, and here you have to change this small s into capital S like this. Yes, snakes eat frogs, and at the end of a sentence you put full stop. Number 5, frogs eat insects. Okay, you have to change this small f into capital F like this, and after a sentence you put full stop. The last one, insects eat us. Now you have to change this small I into capital I like this, and at the end of a sentence you have to put full stop. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood all these pages. Now I'm going to talk to your parents. Guidelines for parents. Ask the child to complete A at page 18. आपने पेज 18 पे जो क्वेश्चन नंबर ए है वो उसे बुक पे ही करवाना है उसको सॉल्व, तो आप बच्चे से उसको करवाएं, जहाँ उसको कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही हो तो उसको हेल्प कर दें आप. कंप्लीट बी एंड सी फ्रॉम पेज 18 इन हिज और हर कॉपी बुक. ये जो क्वेश्चन नंबर बी और सी है पेज नंबर 18 पर, उसको कोशिश करके आप कॉपी बुक में करवाएं. ठीक है, कॉपी बुक में ऊपर रेफरेंस दे दीजिएगा, कौन सा पेज करवा रहे हैं, लेसन कौन सा है वो लिख दीजिएगा, और जो है बच्चे इसको जो है इसको कॉपी बुक में ही सॉल्व करेंगे क्वेश्चन बी और सी को. बी, आस्क द चाइल्ड टू कंप्लीट ए एट पेज 19. पेज नंबर 19 पे जो ए क्वेश्चन है वो बुक में ही करवाएं आप उसको सॉल्व, और कंप्लीट बी इन हिज और हर कॉपी बुक. और जो क्वेश्चन बी है वो उसकी कॉपी बुक में करवाएं. जो इंग्लिश की कॉपी बुक है बच्चों के पास, उसमें आपने क्वेश्चन बी पेज नंबर 19 पे जो क्वेश्चन बी है उसको कॉपी बुक पे करवाना है. टेक केयर ऑफ हिज और हर हैंड राइटिंग एंड स्पेलिंग्स. लिखते हुए उनकी हैंड राइटिंग का ख्याल रखिए और स्पेलिंग्स का ख्याल रखिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. जज़ाकल्लाह. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.